Welcome back, friends. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the decision statement, if else and else if statements in MySQL Workbench. Regarding to the stored procedures, in this lecture, we will discuss about case statements in stored procedures, how to process the case statements in stored procedures. So I will be starting the query now. So delimiter, double slash, then create procedure, and I'm giving the name of the procedure as play, and I'm giving the in parameters in id, then int. Id is the variable and int is the data type. I'm giving begin, then mention the case statement. I'm mentioning with id, the variable id. When 3, then select, select Kausigan. When 4, then select Rohit. Then mention with the else part, else select Ramu. Okay. End the case statement, end case semicolon, then end the delimiter, double slash. Now run this query. So I have created a procedure play. I'm giving the in parameter with the variable ID and the data type of integer. So the operation is going to begin here in the body of the procedure. So I'm giving the case statement here. When the ID is mentioned as 3, it will select Kausigan. If it is 4, it will select Rohit. Otherwise, for remaining integers, it will be selecting the Ramu. Okay. So here it is not mentioned with the if statement, if else statement or else if statement. It is going for the case statements. Okay. Then just run this query. So it will create the procedure. Yes, the procedure has been created. Then call this procedure, call play, play off. So I'm mentioning it as, for example, I'm giving it as 4. So it will display directly with Rohit. So if I want to display with 5, so it will be going for ROM. So this is how a case statement will be working. I hope you have understood the concept of case statement. So there is another format of providing the case statement, the another way of structuring the case statement. We can mention, we can declare it directly. Instead of giving the case ID here, we can mention it as when ID equal to 3, then select Kausigan. When ID equal to 4, select Kausigan. Like that we can mention. So we will do that. Just copy the statement. So I'm here, I'm copying. So I'm going to delete this. When ID equal to 3, then select Kausigan. When ID equal to 4, then select Rohit. Else it will be here. I'm changing the procedure name as play 1 because I haven't dropped the previous procedure. Just run this procedure now. It will have created the procedure play 1. Now you can see the same output will be produced. Call play 1 of 4. It will display Rohit. If you are going for some other integers, just mention with 5 and run this query, you will be getting Ramu. Okay. So this is how we can perform the case statement in the stored procedure by using the MySQL workbench. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the loop statements. Thank you.